What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you how I created this Winnie the Pooh inspired nail set. I'm really excited about this design. It is so cute, so let's get started. I'm going to be using some gel nails. This is Una Gel from Amazon. I got these for about $12 on there, and honestly I recommend 10 out of 10. These tips are amazing, they're strong, so if you're looking for a nice durable gel-X tip or dupe, these are really nice and I do recommend. So for application, I'm using my foundation gel from Gelish. You can use any base gel glue. Basically, you just want like a thick viscosity though, because I really feel like that helps make them last. So after I have them applied, I do a full cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take my hand file and just file off the very tips because it does have that little sharp piece at the end there. Taking my e-file, I'm just going to go around the cuticle area to further smooth that out and make it more flush to the natural nail. Once you do that, you're going to want to take a buffing block and buff up the surface of all the nails. You really want to get rid of that shiny layer just because we're going to be doing some nail art and gel polish and it sticks better with a matte surface. Removing all of that dust. Now, if you remember my last video, I did swatch these polishes that Joslove sent me. I wanted to use this palette specifically for this set because I thought the colors would be perfect for the Winnie the Pooh characters. So I'm taking their brush specifically that was sent with the palette, and I'm going to go through and apply most of these colors. But I'm taking this pinky nude first, and I'm going to be placing that on my index finger and also my pinky. I will say, no matter how hard I tried to finesse these colors, I could not get the streakiness to even out. No matter how many layers I kept attempting to put on there, it still looked really streaky by the cuticle. I do cover a lot of it anyway with the design, so I wasn't too concerned about it. But if I was just doing the polish alone, I would think you'd have to add a few layers, more than 2, to actually get it to cover. And with the pigmentation of the polishes, I really don't feel like you should have to do that. But overall, I do like the colors. I just wish that it wasn't as streaky towards the cuticle and it looked more even. This is with 2 layers of polish on each nail, and if you look closely you can see that it's not really even at the cuticle, but on camera it is a little bit harder to see. In person it's a little more noticeable. But to kind of cover that up a bit, I'm going to try to take some of this cat eye polish gel. It's a holographic one and it sparkles and reflections with the backlight of a camera. So I thought it might be a nice little addition for my background. Honestly, you couldn't really tell too much that I added it. So you could probably skip this step or just use like a sparkly polish. But you can't really see or notice the cat eye in the actual design. But I really do like this polish. It's super pretty. So for my index finger and my pinky, I'm going to go and add a French nail. I'm going to be taking this deepest red color because I thought it matched the color of Pooh's shirt the best. And I'm just going to go and add that, and I will be back. So these are the Winnie the Pooh decals that I'm going to be using. These are water decals, and look how freaking cute they are. They are so adorable. So to use water decals, you're going to need some warm water. It says to let them sit in there for about 20 to 30 seconds, but you don't even have to leave them in there that long, like 10 or 15. It works just fine. But you just let them sit there for a second, take them out, and you place them on your nail wherever you want them to go. I really like the convenience of these, and it looks really nice, but you do have to mess with it a little bit. It's not like super easy to move once you actually get it on the finger, so you have to place it like right where you want it. You can mess with it a little bit, but it is a little bit tricky. So I'm just trying to mess with it a little bit here and get it more flat and where I want it to go. You want to get all of the moisture out from under the decal so it seals in place properly. I'm going to go add some of those to each finger, and then I do a little bit of nail art, and I'll be back.
If I knew what all the fighting was for. Cause you got an endless list of twists when things aren't going your way. You got them convinced the facts are fiction, different spin every day. I'm not gonna tell you what you're missing, you wouldn't listen anyway. But now that I'm here, I've got something to say. This is the last chance to tell you that I'm not coming back. It's the last chance to prove that I am stronger than that. There isn't much that I can do, but I'm not falling for that. This is the last chance to tell you, the last chance to tell you that I've come too far to let you mess with my vision. Cause we dream of something more. They're not gonna hear you cause the truth is loud, and soon somebody will listen. I hope you know what all the fighting was for. Ooh, cause I got an endless list of gifts when things start going my way. You may be convinced that I can't win, but I don't care what you say. I'm not gonna stand for your so-called mission, I don't believe it anyway. But now that I'm here, I've got something to say. This is the last chance to tell you that I'm not coming back. It's the last chance to prove that I am stronger than that. There isn't much that I can do, but I'm not falling for that. This is the last chance to tell you, the last chance to tell you that I'm not afraid of where I'm going. Because I remember where I've been.
After I'm done with all of the nail art, I'm now going to go through and add a layer of top coat. If you're using like thick stickers or things like that, I do recommend 2 layers of top coat just to seal everything in there nicely. And always add cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I think they're so cute. These decals literally made it so easy to create this look. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. And did you watch Winnie the Pooh as a child? I never did, but my brother was really into it as a kid. My sister and I, we were in a Barney. Like, that was our thing when we were kids. But my kids don't even watch TV now. They just watch YouTube. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. And if you want to see more character sets, I do have like Powerpuff Girls and Mickey Mouse and Care Bears. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
And so it is here we shall leave them, and here we shall find them again. For the boy and the bear will always be together in this remarkable place called the 100 Acre Wood.